Hello, and welcome to our mini recording on the ACT. The ACT is a college placement exam and it's accepted nationally at almost all colleges and universities. The ACT is typically taken for the first time in the spring of a student's junior year, and this is because by that time the student has already been exposed to a lot of the courses and concepts that they're going to be tested on the ACT. Students will then take the exam again if they wish to on usually the fall of their senior year, and some even take it a third and fourth time depending on whether or not they want to boost their scores for college acceptance or Bright Future scholarships if they're a few points away from earning that. And basically the ACT is broken up into 4 different subject areas. It's going to cover some math, some writing, some reading, and science, and all count for 25% of your final score. Okay, so here are some strategies to remember and practice sites for you to jot down for the ACT. First is to answer every single question. Your scores on the multiple choice test are based on the number of questions you answer correctly. So if you come to a question and you've read through it a couple times, looked at all the answer choices, and still have no idea what the answer could be, try to make the best guess you can, because you won't be penalized for answering incorrectly. So again, there is no penalty for guessing. And if you want some practice before the ACT, those 2 websites down there below will help you out. So definitely jot those down and visit those sites. Alright, so you know what the ACT is and some strategies when you're taking the exam, but how do you register? You register by going online at www.actstudent.org, and on the chart on the right hand side of the screen is the test dates for this school year. I'm making this recording right now at the end of April, so most of the testing dates have come and gone. However, there is one more testing date for this school year, which is June 14th, and the registration deadline is May 9th. If you miss this deadline, you can register between May 10th and May 23rd, but there will be a late fee added to the basic cost of $23. Those basic fees are listed there on the left for you. ACT without writing is $36.50. ACT with the writing is $52.50. Depending on the college you're applying for, you may want to go ahead and take the writing just in case. Some colleges require the writing score, some don't, but I always suggest to students to go ahead and take it just in case. And we want to thank you for viewing our recording today, and if you have any questions at all, please feel free to call the Florida Virtual School Help Desk at 407-513-3587, and they'll be able to answer your questions or get you to your regional counselor for further assistance. Thanks again and have a wonderful day.